Here is weekly problem solving question 15. This is one way to solve the following problem. So here's the picture, the ratio of $1 coins, which is listed right here, to 50-cent coins, that's our verbal model, in a box was, here's my 3 units to 4 units. So I just transformed the words into symbols, $1 coins to 50-cent coins into words, and 3 to 4 units into a picture. The next sentence tells us there was a movement between the original ratio and then the final ratio. 6 $1 coins were removed. So we lost something from the $1 coins, and some 50-cent coins of the same amount, so that's huge right there, of the same amount were added. So we lost $1 coins, but we gained 50-cent coins. Well, what is the ratio between units? So if we get $1 coin, what is that ratio to 50-cent coins? So $1 is to what when it comes to 50 cents? So hopefully you know that 2 50-cent coins is the same amount as $1. So I'm going to take that ratio and build it. So $1 coins is to 2 50-cent. So when I lose a unit of dollar coins, I gain 2 units of 50-cent pieces. So that's what I need to remember. When something is removed from the dollar coins, I gain 2 units of 50-cent coins. That ratio has to stay the same because it's $1 to 50-cent pieces. So going back to my original picture of a ratio of 3 to 4, I need to remember for every $1 removed, I earn 2 50-cent coins added. So right now, my ratio, they said, is going to change from 3 to 4 after a shift has happened to 1 to 3. Well, there's no way that I'm going to get 3 units because I'm adding coins to 50 cents. So since I'm adding to 4, I'm not going to get that units to show up to 3. So I need to find equivalent ratios. So 1 is to 3, the same way as what? So let's increase it and multiply by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. So 1 to 3 is an equivalent ratio as 2 to 6. And we can build another one. If we want to multiply the original 1 to 3 by 3, we would know that 3 to 9 is a ratio that can simplify 1 to 3. But again, if I look at the equivalent ratios, I need the after picture to be one of these equivalent ratios. I can get the $1 to remove 2 and then have 1 left, but I can't, since I'm adding to the 50-cent coins, I have to get something larger than 4. So I'm going to start looking at the 2 to 6 ratio. So I cleaned up my picture a little bit. So again, I'm looking for that 2 to 6 ratio. So if I lose one of these dollar coin units, I'm left with 2. So remember, the loss of 1 means the gain of 2. So if I gain 2 here, what's my ratio? It's 2 units since I lost 1 to 6 units. And that's the exact equivalent ratio to 1 to 3. So what does that help me know? That if I lose 1 unit of dollar coins, I'm left with, and I gain 2 units of 50 cents, because remember, $1 unit is to 2 50-cent units. So my ratio then would become 2 to 6, which is equivalent to 1 to 3. So now I'm going to use the fact that they're telling me 6 $1 coins were removed. So if I removed 1 unit, that means that that unit is worth $6. So if that 1 unit is worth $6, and that's $1 coins, how much are 2 units? So this 2 units must be worth $6 as well. So that means 50-cent coins, that each unit on the 50-cent side is worth $3, half of a dollar, which makes sense because 50 cents is half of a dollar. So let me clean the screen up again. So after that messy picture, what did we learn? We learned that 1 unit is worth $6 on our dollar coin side, and another unit is worth $3 on the 50-cent coins. So in the end, it says, what was the total amount of money in the original box? So remember, my original box was 3 units to 4 units, and I know that each unit here is worth $6, so that's 6, 6, 6, but 50-cent coins, each of those units is worth $3. So if I drew my picture, it says how much was in the original. 3 units at $6 would be $18, and $3 per unit at 4 units would be $12. So I had $18 worth of $1 coins and $12 worth of 50-cent coins. So it says what's the original amount of money in the box. I'm going to add those together to get the total amount of money in the box is $30. And remember, if it starts with words, it must end with words. So remembering to write your sentence, the total amount of money in the box was $30. You need to show some sort of process, a development of your process from like I did with the slides. This is my first piece of the puzzle. This is my second piece of the puzzle. And in an open response, all of those pieces, the reader should be able to follow to see your logical progression in the solving process of question 15.